Hi Rebels, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair tutorial, and guess what guys, I am going blonde. Yes, the wig I'll be installing in today's video is from Ashimary Hair Company. They sent me a lot of goodies, so let's go ahead and unbox together. Firstly, they sent me this nightgown. It's like this thin strap silk dress that you can wear to bed. They also sent me the robe I'm wearing and it matches, so that's so cute. Next they sent me a nude cap, an edge band with their name on it. They also sent me over this neck jewelry. Y'all know it's officially spooky season and I love doing Halloween makeup looks, so I might just use this. They sent me some 3D lashes, a small edge brush, another spooky accessory, and a small razor. Now let's get into the hair details. This wig is a 26-inch ash blonde unit with gray highlights. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see it a little bit better. The parting space on this frontal is 13 by 4 and it comes with a tag on the inside with hair care tips on the back of it. Now that we've got into that, let's install her. This is what the hairline looked like when I received it. I went ahead with my tweezers and I customized it. After I finished plucking the lace, hot combing it nice and flat, and straightening it, this is what it looks like. I'm actually really impressed by how well the hair straightened and barely shed. Yep, that's a plus. So yeah, now it's time to put her on. I already have on a cap, but it's a little light for me, so I'm going ahead with my MAC Studio Finish foundation powder and adding that to it. And to install her, I'm going to be using my Bold Hold lace glue. I'm going to go ahead and apply this, and once it dries, I'm going to apply another layer. Second layer dries, it's time to put her on. But first I'm going to take the two straps in the back and I'm going to clip them together and then just put her on like normal. I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this process and I will come back at the end of the video.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand what I need is go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
Alright guys, so after customizing the lace, layering the hair, and curling it, this is the look we got. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Check out the description box for the details to this wig, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.
Your body,